Hit the bell icon when you subscribe so you will be notified when I am on YouTube. Hi everybody, today I am gonna share yet another Italian recipe which is pesto pasta. Let's look at the ingredients for that. Here I've taken penne pasta. You can take any pasta of your choice. Then a bowl of fresh basil, cherry tomatoes cut into half, Parmesan cheese, garlic, pine nuts, salt, olive oil, pepper and chili flakes. Let's start. Here I am heating some water to blanch the pasta with some salt. And now adding some olive oil. Let it heat for a few minutes. Here goes the pasta. Well, my packet says it takes generally 8 to 10 minutes to cook, or you can just judge it. Make sure that you read the packet because it depends which brand or which pasta you take, and please don't overcook the pasta. Well, my pasta is perfectly cooked. Just drain off the excess water. Now let's start making pesto sauce. Here in a jar, I've already added some basil leaves. Now I'm adding some garlic cloves, pine nuts. If you don't have pine nuts, you can use walnut or even cashew nuts. Then salt to taste. Fresh parmesan, well, it's the vegetarian version of that. Now I'm adding olive oil. If you need, you can add more olive oil, but please do not add water to this. Now let's blend to make a smooth paste. You can see our pesto sauce is ready. Now let's heat some olive oil. To that, I'm adding the diced tomato. Just saute it for 1 minute. Now let's add the boiled pasta. Give it a good mix. Now I'm adding some black pepper and chili flakes. Give it a good mix. And now here goes the pesto sauce. Give it a really good mix. And here our lovely pesto pasta is ready. Serve it hot. You can just enjoy with side of some garlic bread, and do not forget to add some more Parmesan cheese. Bon appetit! And if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Goodbye. Thank you.